Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Lisa Gunderson, and I'm so honored to be able to be one of the presenters at BCACC's conference this year on November 3rd and 4th, Counseling in a Changing World, Reimagining Our Environments. I get the opportunity of working with you in talking about our Indigenous, Black, Asian, Latinx, bi, multiracial children and youth. My workshop is going to be on learning to work with IBPoC youth during this changing time and in this environment. Your questions answered. So what that means is this is going to be a little bit different. We are going to start off, and I'm going to be mentioning a couple of things that are really important to think about when we're working with IBPoC youth. However, if you come to this session, many times people have questions that they've been wanting to ask for so long. This is your opportunity. We're going to be spending the time answering your questions about working with IBPoC youth. We're going to be doing so in two ways. One, you're going to be able to just ask me if you want. The other is I'm going to be using something called Mentimeter, which will allow you to ask your questions anonymously. Don't worry, you don't have to download anything. All you need is your cell phone or a computer and just access to the internet. This way, you're able to ask some of the questions that might be a little bit more intimate, a little bit more private, in a way that is a safer environment for you to do so. It'll all be anonymous. The best part about this is we know that you all have a lot of questions and we may not have a lot of time. So we're going to do this in two sessions. The first one, again, I'll be talking just a bit about some specific things you may want to know about IBPoC youth, giving you a couple of strategies that might be helpful as well. And then we'll start talking and asking questions, having that discussion. Then we're going to take a break to allow you the opportunity to go to some of the other key workshops that are happening. We know there is trauma and resilience in youth, lifespan conversations, Gen Z, mental health issues, Dungeons and Dragons. And so after that, then we're going to have you come back. And if you would like, to spend another hour where we're really going to sit and maybe dive into more depth and detail about some specifics around IBPoC youth. You cannot attend the second session, though, if you don't attend the first. So asking you to come to the first session, then enjoy all those other opportunities that you have, and then come back and join me for a second time. Again, my name is Dr. Lisa Gunderson. I am so looking forward to working with you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the conference on November 3rd. Take care, everyone. Bye.